Assalamualaikum everyone, to all my dear students. So in this video, I will teach you all how to construct sentences. Teacher akan ajar awak macam mana awak nak membina ayat yang betul. Okay, so sebelum ni mesti awak menghadapi masalah macam mana nak membina ayat yang betul kan, ataupun awak perasan tak kadang-kadang teacher suka garis panjang dekat awak punya karangan. So awak kena tahu macam mana nak construct sentences dengan betul dan jenis-jenis ayat yang betul. So let's start. Basically there are two types of sentences yang teacher akan ajar hari ni. Ada dua types. Pertama sekali adalah simple sentence, ayat yang mudah, dan second one is compound sentence, ayat yang digabungkan. So what is simple sentence? Okay, pertama kali kita tengok simple sentence dulu. Okay, simple sentences adalah ayat mudah. Apa itu ayat mudah? Every sentences must have you must remember this is very important. Ini adalah sangat-sangat penting. Subject and verb. A subject and a verb. Dalam satu ayat mudah, awak kena ada subject, verb. Okey, apa itu subject? Subject itu adalah orang yang buat, pembuat, ataupun kita panggil dua. Nouns. Verb pula macam mana? Okey, verb tu maksud dia adalah kata kerja. Dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil kata kerja. Okey, apa subjek? Okey. First kali contoh macam people, pronouns. She, he, they, it. So that is the pronouns. Place, hospital, house. Things, pen, pencil, books, and animals. Cats, cow, dogs, and everything. So this is the subject. So what is verb? Verb is for example kata kerja kan, sleep, tidur kan. Awak kan suka tidur kan, you love to sleep right? So tidur, or dance also, menari, or what, reading, read, membaca, run, berlari. Okay, so that's all is these all are the verbs, kata kerja. So you must remember, when you make a sentence, you must have subject, you must have verb, and also you must have object. Awak kena or description. Kita kena ada huraian. So subject, verb, and the description ataupun object. So this is the examples. Subject, Mary, Ramli, Suraya and her friends, the cat. This column is the subject, and then verb, kata kerja, plays, likes, play, eats. So this is the object. Okay, so please look. Mary plays the guitar. Mary tu adalah subject. Verb dia adalah plays the guitar. Okay, so Mary bermain gitar. So look, kalau kita just cakap Mary plays what? Mary plays what? Mary play apa kan? Mary bermain apa? So bila kita cakap the guitar, so kita tahu, oh, Mary plays, Mary bermain alat muzik, bermain gitar. Okay, so the next example, Ramli likes to play football. Ramli suka bermain bola. Ramli suka apa? Kita tak tahu kan. Kalau kita tak cakap to play football, kita tak tahu. Audience, orang yang dengar, Ramli likes what kan. Okay, so we need to put to play football, to eat a chicken. So Ramli likes, Ramli suka. Suraya and her friends play football at the field. The cat ate the fish. Okay, please look carefully. Please look carefully. When Mary is a singular, only one person, the verb must have s. Okay. Verb dia ada S. Okay. Bila kita tengok yang ni pula, Suraya and her friends, ada dua ataupun 3 orang ataupun lebih. Play dia tak ada S. Okay, so apa? Okay, ini kita panggil sebagai subject verb agreement, which is subject and verb must agree each other. Mesti bersetuju dengan antara satu sama lain. Okay, so subject verb agreement. Subject must agree with the verb. If you use singular subject, you must use singular verb. If you use plural subject, you must use plural verb. So they need to agree. Dia kena bersetuju, dia kena sama. Kalau tak sama, ayat awak akan salah. So in a sample sentence, subject agreements. Okay, so now we look on subject agreement because it's very important. Ni adalah sangat penting kalau awak nak buat ayat, awak kena tahu subject agreements. Okay, singular subject plus singular verbs. Bila singular subject kena bertemu dengan singular verb, baru ayat awak betul. Okay, contohnya apa? She plays. Plays. She tu seorang. Plays. Verb dia, subject dia seorang. Plays adalah kata kerja. Kena ada S, the piano. Maria washes. Washes apa maksudnya? Membasuh. Maria seorang. Washes ada S. Ada ES sorry. The shoes. The cat eats. The cat. Kucing tu seekor. Kena eats ada S, the fish. Okay, macam mana kalau pula plural? Plural ni apa? Banyak. Plural subject bila bertemu dengan plural verb, tak ada. Verb dia tak ada S. Tak ada. No S. So they, contohnya apa? They play the piano. They, ramai. Mereka. They play. Plays tak ada S. The piano. Maria and her father wash the shoes. Maria dan ayah dia membasuh kasut. Maria and her father ada 2 orang. Sebab tu dia wash. Okay, teacher tulis sikit supaya awak nampak. Maria, 2 orang. Ramai, plural. So, dia wash. Tak ada. No S. Okay. The cats. Cats. Bila cats ada banyak, dia ada cats. Ramai. S, it. Tak ada. No S. So, this is the subject-verb agreement. When you make the simple sentences, you must know the subject-verb agreement. Okay, so we move to the next slide. Okay, so when we know about the simple sentence, we must know about the compound sentences. Compound sentences is when simple sentence plus simple sentence, it will produce compound sentence. How we want to add? Macam mana kita nak gabungkan simple? Macam kita nak merge simple sentence dengan 2 simple sentence jadi satu compound sentence. Okay, for example, simple sentence 1, Norma plays the piano. Ni ayat pertama, Norma bermain piano. The second sentence, simple sentence 2, Ali plays the guitar. Ali bermain gitar. So, ayat pertama dan ayat kedua. Macam mana kita gabungkan dia? Compound sentence. Ayat pertama tadi, kita tulis sikit. Ayat pertama tadi, Norma plays the piano. Ayat pertama tadi. And Ali plays the guitar. Ayat kedua. What is and? And ni lah kita panggil conjunction. What is conjunction? Kata hubung. Ayat pertama tadi, and, kita letak and. Ali plays the guitar. Ayat kedua. Okay. Next. Okay, we want to know what is conjunction. Conjunction, you can use conjunction, sorry. Pelat teacher. You can use conjunction to merge the simple sentences. Awak boleh guna conjunction, kata hubung, untuk awak gabungkan 2 ataupun 3 ayat simple, ayat mudah. So there are many types many of conjunction that you can use and you can search. Awak boleh cari lepas ni. Contohnya macam and, or, but, yet, so, for. Okay, so yang biasa awak guna mungkin and, but, and, or. Okay, biasa yang awak guna ni biasanya ni lah kan. Okay, and, or. Okay, so the next one, so the next step is awak dah nampak flow dia. Awak kena tahu simple sentence. Lepas tu awak kena tahu how to make a compound sentence. And now you learn how to order the sentences. Macam mana awak nak susun sentences tu. Okay, first kali awak kena ingat verb dan object usually go together. Okay, biasanya dia bersama-sama. Sebab apa? Mereka berkawan baik. Awak tak boleh pisahkan dia. Okay, so verb dengan objek kena bersama. Contohnya apa? Haris plays football on weekends. Haris plays football. Plays bermain bola on weekends. Pada hujung minggu. Awak tak boleh kata Haris football plays. Okay, dia kena plays football. Place, bermain bola. Awak kena letak verb dulu, kata kerja dulu, baru objek. Dan dia punya time description dekat belakang sekali. Haris plays on weekends football. Tak boleh lah macam ni on weekend dekat tengah-tengah. Tak boleh. The next example is Jenny likes strawberry very much. Okay, tengok verb dia dekat sini, objek dia bersama-sama. Dia kena bersama-sama. Wajib bersama-sama. Wajib bersama-sama. Dia dah kawan baik. Dia bercinta kan. Dia bercinta. So, dia kena bersama. So, okay, the next one. The next slide, please. Okay, so if the sentences contains information about the place and time, kalau dalam sentences itu ada tempat dan masa, awak kena dahulukan tempat dahulu baru masa. Okay, Suraya cycles to school every morning. For example, tempat dulu baru morning, masa. Okay, Suraya cycle to school. Suraya menaiki basikal ke sekolah setiap pagi. Okay, awak pun boleh buat, selain ni awak pun boleh buat juga, put the time at the beginning of sentence. Awak boleh letak dekat depan sekali. Apa yang awak tak boleh nak letak kat tengah. Belakang boleh, depan boleh, tengah-tengah tak boleh Okay, so every morning Suraya cycles to schools. Okay. The next one is, you must remember, but the word early or late, perkataan early dengan late cannot be used in the beginning of the sentence. Tak boleh digunakan di permulaan ayat. Contohnya early Suraya goes to bed. Tak boleh salah. Okay, yang betul adalah Suraya goes to bed early. So, ataupun Suraya goes to bed early in the morning. Suraya tidur betul lah, tidur awal pagi. Okay, awal pagi, in the morning tidur. Okay, it's okay. So, Suraya goes to bed early. So, then next one we do some, so because we know about the ordering, kita tahu macam mana kita nak susun ayat. So, next one kita buat exercise sikit. Okay, nak tengok awak ingat ke tak. Okay, for example, Shiva walks every morning to school. So, apa yang betul? Shiva walks to school every morning. Okay, this is terangkan balik Okay, the second, Alicia plays very well the piano. So, apa yang betul? Alicia plays the piano very well. Okay, the next one, late, we went to the movies last night. Lambat, kita telah pergi tengok wayang malam tadi. So, yang betul adalah we went to the movies late last night. Kita tengok movie lewat malam tadi. Okay, so look, Shiva walks. Shiva ni seorang. Walks, ingat tadi apa? Subject verb agreement kena ada S. Sebab apa dia seorang? Verb dia kena ada S. To school, object. Ni object, ni subject. Every morning. The time, ni place, ni time. Place dia, ni time. Okay, kena apa dulu? Place dulu, baru time. Kena verb dulu, baru object. Kena ingat ni, verb dulu baru object, place dulu baru time. Okay, the second one, the second example. Alicia plays very well the piano. Macam mana kita nak betulkan? Alicia plays the piano very well. Alicia main piano. Alicia ni subject, seorang. Alicia subject. Plays verb dia kena ada S. Plays the piano, ni object dia, very well. Okay, satu lagi yang teacher nak kena ingatkan pada awak. Okay, bila perkataan very, kena very much, very well, very excellent. You must put it at the end of the sentence. Awak kena letak akhir sekali. Akhir sekali Akhir sekali. Akhir ayat. Contohnya, Alicia plays the piano very good. Alicia plays the piano very well. Baik. Ataupun Alicia plays the piano very bad. Very bad. Teruk gila. Okay. So, dia semua tu kena letak di akhir ayat. So, the third one. We went to the movies last night. Macam kita tak betulkan we went. We, ramai kan? Plural. Okay, so this is the subject. Went tu sebab apa? Went, go. Past tense je. Past tense dia ada apa? Went. Okay, please remember that. Go, past tense dia went. Went ni apa? Verb. To the movies, object dia. Late last night. So we went to the movies late last night. Last night ni time kena akhir sekali late. Okay, late tu kena duduk dekat belakang baru time. Okay, so we revise back. So must remember verb first. Kena ingat kata kerja dulu baru object, dan tempat dulu baru time. Bila awak subject verb agreement kena ingat. Bila singular subject, dia punya verb kena ada S. Kalau plural subject, dia punya verb dia tak ada S. Okay, so please remember. Okay, so that's all for our video today. So everyone who want to subscribe my channel, please do that. I really thanks. I really appreciate that. Saya sangat appreciate kalau awak subscribe video saya punya channel, like dan juga komen, dan bila awak dah habis tengok video ni. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye.